everyone, and welcome now to day 17. 1 week till Christmas Eve. Oh my god, can't believe it. So let's start with our Revolution Makeup 24-day calendar. Day 17 is this long door. I'm going to go with a travel brush.
I just got a brush.
Oh, it's a lip gloss. Well, that's more exciting than a travel brush.
Oh, that was a different box. I'm sorry. You got a brush from the here.
Yes, I got a brush.
What did you get from that one? You got like
the next one.
A highlighter.
Yes, a baked highlighter.
Baked highlighter.
It was a really long time ago, so it's hard to remember what we got on day 16. So we got a lip gloss in the shade Soul. It's nice.
That's a nice name.
Yeah. Let's do a little swatch. It's a very nice dusty rose.
Goes on your lips?
A nice pink. It does. Lip gloss goes on your lips, yes.
Okay, well that's good.
I have it on right now. Try all this stick. Definitely gonna get it on my teeth.
Glistens.
It's a nice subtle pink color. Very,
it's like
very
icing
nice.
on a cake. Excuse me.
Don't ever change. Up next on our calendar unboxing extravaganza. Day number 17 is right here. It's a big long door. Jason, are you excited?
Yep.
It doesn't want to open this one. Make turn off your cell phone notifications.
Yes, of course I can.
Oh, what is this? It's a boxed item. Oh, it's a bonus item. What did we get? Jay, what did we get? We got a 2-in-1 lippy in the shade Ride or Die. So this all-in-one lippy features a super slim applicator that lines your lips with killer precision and fills them in with creamy matte color. The result?
Look at the back. There's a diagram.
A velvety matte pout worth posting about. So let's see what this has got inside. Okay, so in our box we've got this lovely thing. So it's called Line and Load. That is a very precision applicator.
I came up with that term.
You did?
Just now, yeah.
If
it already exists, then I'm sorry, but if it doesn't, then I take credit for a precision applicator.
That's what the thing says on it.
Oh, never mind then.
So it's a nice brown, purpley brown, mostly brown. Very nice winter color. So I'm excited to give that a try, but not today, not this day. All right. Day 17 of our Glossybox.
Is it a bigger box?
Oh,
oh, it is a big box.
Where
Look
is
at
it?
that over there.
It's a big box.
It's a big old box.
That doesn't always mean anything though, because we got that tiny little eyeshadow in a large box.
Did we? What a dirty trick. It sounds like something's rattling around in there, dude.
It does. Oh, it's like the same thing we just got in our NYX.
Is it?
No, it's a liquid lipstick matte made in heaven. Liquid lipstick and liner duo. So yeah, kind of like what we just got in NYX. Well, very similar colors too.
Wow.
So this is from Absolute New York, and it's in the shade.
It's not called Ride or Die, is it?
No, Bitten. So I'm gonna get this opened, and we'll do a swatch. I'll be right back. I got it opened.
The applicator's
So
different.
it's definitely not a precision applicator. It's just a standard doe
It looks
foot.
like it's got like an angle on the end.
Yeah, that's a doe foot. See? You know
That's
why
a
they call
doe
it that? Because it looks
No.
like a doe's foot.
It does kind of,
Yeah.
yeah.
It doesn't really have a smell to it. So let's compare it to this one we got from NYX. Oh, it's much more red. That's a nice color, isn't it?
Are you putting it on wrong? Like too hard? Because there's like a clear line in the center and then it goes really rich in the... You just kind of brush it around after you get it on? Is that how that works?
Yeah, like you put it. It doesn't. It's not meant. It's not a hand.
I'm thinking like you go like a paintbrush. And
Yeah,
one
like
stroke.
ugh.
That's what I thought.
Put it on my lipstick. No.
Okay.
You've seen me apply lipstick on like almost every single video. It's like, do I look pretty? I'm beautiful. You nut.
Okay. We'll get mad.
Okay, so on day 16, which may not be the same day as day 17, we got these baubles from Glossybox, and I did not find out how much they are valued at. Oh. So there's 3 baubles. I'm going to guess $12. Oh, and It's from the brand Invisibobble.
Would you think that was a good price if you...
Oh, no, I wouldn't pay $12 for a 3 hair tie.
Well, what would you pay for those?
$3 max?
Well, there's 6.
$6?
$6.60.
Oh, that's not bad. Actually. Still wouldn't pay that. Like, I get them at the dollar store.
And then the 17 you want?
Oh, and then so this Absolute New York, I'm going to guess...
There's a...
What?
Like, you only showed the one side. Did you?
One side of what?
Well, there's like a different applicator that maybe pops out of the handle. You see that? There's 3.
Oh! Oh!
Does it work? Does it come out of there?
Yes. Oh, look at that!
Oh, look at that!
Oh! Jason!
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why you look at the literature, because that's what the precision part comes from. This was in the cap. So it's
okay, so you line your lips with that,
yeah,
and then you paint the rest on with thingy. Yeah.
So you can go thick, or you can flip it over and go very precise. So that is what that means. Perfect. Thank you for going in, because it said duo. I'm like, what do you mean duo? There's only
so
one.
Does the same thing happen in the NYX?
No, because the NYX was
Try it.
No,
it was a duo.
Yeah,
double.
But the NYX is already precise.
I bet there's something in the handle.
Baby, there's nothing in the handle.
Look at how tall the handle is. Come on.
There's nothing in the handle.
Try and get something out of there.
There's nothing in there. I'll fight you in real life. All right, do we move on now?
Yes.
Okay. Anyways, see, it says 2 and 1. That means 1. This says
it's
duo.
Like
that
when
means
you get 2
2
pizzas and only pay for one of them, it's the best deal, right?
Where are you getting these good deals from?
What did you pay 2 for 1?
Okay, Jason, after all that wonderful debating, I'm going to guess that this is, from Absolute New York, is $16.
Well, you're gonna be excited to learn that item is actually only $7, like $6.99.
This is only $7?
Yeah, pretty awesome. And you get the 2.
It's not awesome. I would like it if it was $40 or $60.
Okay.
Unless I'm buying it myself, and then that's a great deal.
Yeah.
Tell me something about it.
Sure. It's a true dynamic duo. This lipstick and liner set will have you mistletoe ready in a flash.
Does that mean I can kiss other dudes under mistletoe?
I think that's what it means. It's trying to get you.
It's trying to get me to adulterate.
But look good when you're doing it.
I will not adulterate. Anyway.
So you're not going to use their product? Is that what you're saying?
I will kiss you under the mistletoe. You and only you.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all there you have to tell me about it?
That's all it says.
Okay.
Oh, there's a Instagram, like, what do you call it? With the @ Do you want me to say that?
No.
Because we didn't for the last. Okay. Yeah.
No. We're already too far gone. Day 17 was filled with lip products, which, you know, I'm not mad at, because I love a nice lip color, and I love all of these lip colors. It's gonna be hard to choose my favorite. I'm going to go with the Absolute liquid lipstick first, and then the NYX line of low.
That company is going to contact.
Did you see that Michelle commented on my story?
She looked it up. I know.
She's like, it's NYX.
It's NYX.
And love you guys. Thank you for watching, Michelle. We do appreciate it. So, awesome. And then this lip gloss. She is awesome. All my friends are awesome. So this is the order. 1, 2, 3. Great day. Loved this day. Perfect day. And speaking of lovely days, I hope you all have a lovely day. I get to go to a meeting now, so don't envy me. Have a lovely day. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I would very much appreciate it. Right, Jason?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Thanks, everybody.